What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Gerald from Bank of Gerald here with another video update. Today is Tuesday, December the 13th, 2022. Today we are going to talk about that FX Master Gold, which is on the Absolute Markets broker. It has been an amazing journey so far. We've been in about a week and we've been seeing a lot of things going on. We've also gotten to talk about what the welcome bonus and all these different things that this broker is giving us is incentive to help our accounts be a little bit bigger and be trading at maybe a different volume. I'm trying to get an understanding of how it works. But anyway, before we get started talking about this FX Master Gold and what it's been doing in this Absolute Markets broker for your boy BOJ, of course, I want to remind you all that I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice, and I am not your financial advisor. All right, I'm just a dude on YouTube showing you guys how I'm cranking out that crypto in many different platforms, nothing more and nothing less than that. Now, if you like this content, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you want to be updated and notified about everything going on here at BOJ, make sure you hit the notification bell as well. And as well, go ahead and follow us at Twitch. The link is in the description below. Just click on more and you will be able to see that. We have a good time over there. And I invite you all to come and follow the channel over there. We playing some games on Xbox. You know, we're having a good time, but it leaves the floor open for anybody that wants to jump in and ask some questions in the chat. I'll answer them live right there on the Twitch channel. And I believe that'll start to gain some attention to maybe some Twitch people, and maybe they'll see this platform space as something that they may want to look into at the very least on their own and do their own due diligence. Anyway, when you have an opportunity like FX Master Gold, ladies and gentlemen, that has based on what they have told us, right? Based on what they have put on their website, which is also in the description below the video, they are trading at a goal of 15% a week, ladies and gentlemen. You got to clap that up. There are not many opportunities out there right now that are able to accomplish this task for a consistent basis. And they've been doing this for months. Now, this is not a guarantee at all of any type of percentage, but they have a goal that they've made public. They've made it something that they talk about. They say outwardly that we have this goal. All right. They have 4 traders that are constantly analyzing the market. This is not a bot. But what we are able to do is be a part of that trading that goes on and hopefully see some profit from that. And I love these kind of platforms because one, they enable us the opportunity to be a part of the Forex trading market. Well, it's actually trading gold, but I think that's still Forex, right? That's still Forex. And because they have mastered the art of trading gold, ladies and gentlemen, they have given us a very, very unique opportunity. 15% a week, ladies and gentlemen, as a goal is amazing. We've seen a lot of different things that have done, some of the 2% and the 3% and 5% and different stuff like that a week. And that's great. I mean, it's all better than the bank is ever going to give us. So we are excited about that opportunity. Of course, with there being the risk that, they're trying to get these 15% gains with low drawdown. It is like what I would consider as maybe the hype-ish of the PAMM opportunities that I'm in right now, right? High yields. The risk is indeed high, ladies and gentlemen. So if you can't handle the risk, this is not something that you need to be a part of. We also need to be mindful of the golden rules in this space, ladies and gentlemen. We never want to deposit anything more than we are willing to lose. That is the bottom line. So if anything happens, if this decides to go, if this falls and, there's mad days of losing trades and huge drawdown that they can't recover from, like we have seen in other in these other opportunities that we've seen in different brokers, then we understand that was the risk that we took. So we all need to be accountable for whatever happens with our funds as it pertains to our own contributions to these PAMs. However, what this PAM has done has been nothing short of amazing. There are some heavy hitters in this thing, man. Jamsey and them, it looks like they came back. There were some things that they were worried about and they withdrew their funds. And that's not new news for many of the folks that follow these other leaders out in the space. Shout out to them for paving the way for their folks and their communities. And they decided to come back, and they must have seen something that, more solidified their trust in this broker and in this opportunity. I've heard a lot. I've asked some questions to some people that are used to kind of being in the broker space, and they have said sometimes you got to be watching that broker, because the broker can be saying that they have this money available to withdraw and then they don't send it to you. I have not had that issue, ladies and gentlemen. I have been able to do every withdrawal that I have withdrew from Absolute Markets to date. And it's been pretty exciting to see the growth that is starting to happen. We are familiar with FXSWAY and ENVI FX, two brokers that we have done business with before, are currently still doing a little bit of business in, of course, because when you start to talk about these brokers and be a part of the IB programs for these brokers, whenever people join under you and decide a PAM that they want to be a part of, whatever PAM, whatever that PAM's commission level that they state in these brokers, whatever they agree to, you still get a piece of that as people decide. So if there's ever any other opportunities to hop in on Absolute Markets or FXSWAY or NVFX, if you're a person that's sharing these opportunities of PAMs, and the PAM has established some sort of commission agreement with the broker, then you'll always have a little bit of money coming in. And the way that that has worked is every 2 weeks, both the other brokers, FXSWAY and NVFX, have paid bi-weekly, which is just fine with BOJ. I have no problem with that at all, ladies and gentlemen. I want to make sure that's clear. But the thing that I believe is special about this broker is that it enables us to earn on our referrals and different things of that nature when the trades are going on, and whatever we're supposed to get from lot size and different things of that nature, we're paid on that every single day, ladies and gentlemen, every day. And I, for one, have not seen that personally. Now, I am not a person that has been in this broker space that long. All right. We have been privy to opportunities. And of course, because these brokers allow us to make our contributions in cryptocurrency, I think that's something that that goes right in my alley, right? Cranking in, crypto in and crypto out, So that's what we love about this platform, ladies and gentlemen. I have heard some things that about the welcome bonus, right? There are some fear that this welcome bonus is rather high. Now, I have not seen any welcome bonus in any broker until now, not that I can remember. And what this welcome bonus is enabling the new person to do is for the first 5 days, any deposit that they make into this broker, they have the opportunity to add 30% onto it. And the best way to do that is you go to My Bonuses, of course, in your back office after you finish the identification things that they ask you to do to open the account and get it started. So I do believe that if Absolute Markets can continue its success as a broker and the FX Master Gold opportunity continues its success in striving for that 15% a week, ladies and gentlemen, I don't think many of us really have had this opportunity to earn this much passively in a week. Maybe in some type of hype, but not in any of the trading opportunities that we have seen. Now, I am not a fortune teller. I don't know the future. I can't tell you what the future is going to be for the broker nor this opportunity, but we all know the risk. All right. So if you're not down with that, that's a decision that you have to make on your own. All right. Nobody's forcing anyone to do anything. But what I do feel open enough to do is share with you guys my journey and what's going on. And it's continuing to make a profit, ladies and gentlemen. Just excited about what it's doing. And I encourage everyone to get into the description of this video, go and find the FX Master Gold and the Absolute Markets and do your own due diligence. I have both of the links there. You can go on the website and look at what FX Master Gold is doing, what they're talking about, get their Telegram group, gives you instructions on how to be a part of the broker and the opportunity itself, what to make sure that you do when you're talking to support about what PAM you want to be a part of. And it gives you all the information that you need to make a decision. So that's exactly what I did. I took that information, I made that decision, and currently I'm making some profit. And I enjoy making profit. I enjoy being able to actually also watch this on my MT4 when they report their trade closes, and I see what the profit was daily. It's a pretty amazing thing to be able to see. So currently we have a little over $5,000 working for us in this, and we're excited about that. And as the weeks go by and we see what's going on, and as it continues to grow, we'll decide whether we want to up our ante in it or not. Of course, we want to make sure we give it the time to grow and do its thing and prove to us from a personal standpoint that it's worth making those type of decisions, even though it's been around for much longer than I've been in it. So I'm excited about it. This is something that I'm going to continue to talk about as long as it is around to talk about, and that is the good and the bad. And I've been blessed, and well, I'll say this: I've been blessed to not have to bring anything negative so far. Haven't been in it very long, so we got to keep an eye on it. All right, stay diligent, ladies and gentlemen. But I am encouraged about what's going on. With that being said, please put your 2FA on all the platforms that will allow you and all your wallets, because crypto is indeed the wild, wild west. And if you ain't strapped, you're bound to get hacked. Ask me how I know. It's not very fun at all. If you like this content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. If you want to be updated and notified about everything going on here at BOJ, make sure you hit the notification bell as well. Ladies and gentlemen, this is FX Master Gold, Absolute Markets. Don't forget, go ahead and follow us on Twitch. It's a good time over there. I am a tiny bit of a gamer. I just get on there and hang out with my friends, but it's just another place where if you guys would love to come and ask me some questions, let me know where you're tuning in from. And it helps me grow and get exposure into another audience in which I believe can really benefit from some of the information that we're sharing here once they get their own view of it, right? With that being said, I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.